Hello everybody, this is Christine. It is time for a scrapbook process video. This is a design team video for the scrap room. So let me show you. I'm going to do the sketch challenge. I don't know that I told her I was going to do that, but I volunteered for the, let me say this, the Echo Park All-American collection. And I did a little unboxing or reveal or what do you want to call it. Basically, it's very Americana. I mean, you know, kind of your traditional red, white, and blue. Very cute. I love all these stickers though. I'm liking this title, America the Beautiful. But basically, here's my sketch, right? It's got a single photo, but I got two, because why not? Let's just go a little rogue, right? We got a big vertical piece here, a square, a couple of horizontal pieces. And I did it, honestly, because I do like a clean layout. I like the embellishments kind of on this side here with the big title on this side. This is neat, because I sometimes, most of the time, I either do like a diagonal or your visual triangle. So I like this. This is kind of a little triangle. It's like a little small triangle. Oh, look at that. It was my own sketch. I didn't even realize it. That's so funny. I'm like, oh, look at that. Okay, well, anyway, here's my two photos. This is also of me. This is from last year when we went to the Rock the Country concert, and we were dressed all Americana, so it seemed perfect. So I'm going to use this collection. I do have both the pattern paper add-on and the embellishment add-on. This sticker sheet was the normal, like, flavors of the month embellishment you get. And then these three papers were the flavors of the month pieces. Ooh, I thought about cutting this out. What if I shrink the thing? Y'all, we have to do some stuff. I don't know. Maybe I don't do the scale. I don't know. Let me think on this just a minute, because now I'm kind of going, I really enjoy this little window deal here. Two pieces of like navy cardstock, and then the pattern paper add-on were these two pieces of paper with these here. And then the embellishments was the ephemera. So little bits of ephemera. Those will probably end up being some embellishments too. Although, let me see if I can do it with just the flavors. We'll see. So if I decide to trim that out and make that a little window, let's pretend I make my photos. It's not going to look like that, but let's say that. I'll still need like a piece of paper here, a little square, and the title can go like here. I still think it'll kind of work, y'all. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the middle of this out. It's going to be kind of cool because I'll do it like around the flowers. And then maybe what I'm going to do here is use my navy blue as like in the middle. You won't see the edges necessarily, unless I trim it just a hair too. I may do that. Just very, very tiny photo mat. Oh, that could be pretty. Oh, this could be so pretty. And then we'll see what I do in the way of the squares and stuff. I don't know yet. So let me do those little pieces of homework there, and I'll be back on in just a minute. Hey everybody, quick check-in because I just have to show you how cool this turned out. I cut the white middle out of this, and I did use my craft knife around the flowers. Is it perfect? No, I'm not going to tell you it's perfect, but I think this looks so pretty. And I did trim down the blue wood grain piece just a tad to give me that tiny border. Y'all, how stunning is that? I mean, I'm almost like, these photos may not do it justice. I don't know. Okay, so I'm thinking here, I don't even know if I'm going to mat them. I'm going to see. I still need to give myself the little, like I said, compressed sketch version. So I'm going to cut some papers. I may use this since I cut it out of the middle. And yeah, I'm kind of in love with this. I'm not going to lie. I love this background. Okay, let me get the other pieces going and I'll be back on. Okay, you guys, I felt so inspired with this layout and this collection. It just looks so friggin' cute. I don't know if it started with the little corner embellishment window cutout thing or what, but I love this, how this turned out. And I loved how I was able to like compress the sketch and make it work. So again, I would like you guys to think about sketches and stuff. Don't get bogged down or wrapped around the axle that it has to be exactly, you know. I mean, this is really close in some ways, and in some ways it's not. So just kind of keep your mind open when you see a sketch. I did go ahead and use the little backside of the white stuff that I had cut out because I was able to make a decent sized square, and actually it fit perfectly inside my little window piece here, and actually just kind of jump started the whole thing. Then I decided to use the floral. I will say I'm looking at the photos here. I'm going to make some decisions in a second because I'm going, okay, I wasn't going to mat them, but I do end up matting them. They end up just needing a little something going on. So I've got my little stars and ribbons. I got my floral, and I'm like, okay, I need some horizontal pieces, and I wanted to kind of tone it down. There's a lot of pattern going on. Again, I've said this before. I'm not afraid of pattern, but at the same time, you know, you want to balance stuff out where your eyeball's not bleeding from all the patterns. So I cut the little red and white stripe piece here for the horizontal. I did cut into, I think, every piece of paper. That's not true. I think there's one, the gingham. No, I did cut the gingham. I might have cut every piece of paper in this one, y'all. Even the add-ons, I'm not even sure. Then I cut a little 2-inch strip here of this little gingham. It seemed to kind of calm down the patterns a bit for me. It just kind of offered a little softer background for that stuff. So I'm looking at it. I'm like, okay, my photos are, I don't know, they're getting kind of lost, right? So I decide, yeah, I'm going to have to back you. I thought I'm going to put it on. I tried white cardstock first. I was trying a few pieces of scrap paper because I've already kind of put those together, which is fine with me. I didn't mind. But I ended up having to go get a piece of new white cardstock. And then I went ahead and did the navy blue star as a little border in between that and the white cardstock. I just wanted to give it a little more oomph as well. And then I thought, you know what, I'm going to put it up on foam. I thought that'll even make it stand out just a little bit more. So I had some fun foam laying there, so I go ahead and put that behind it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is pull out the sticker sheet. I don't add a ton of embellishment, you guys. I really followed the sketch in this way with just the 3 little embellishments on the side. You'll see in a second. I'm going to glue my photo down. The title's going to be that America the Beautiful. I mean, honestly, I thought it was a little bit funny, a little bit ironic, because it's almost like I'm calling myself beautiful, which we should think of ourselves as beautiful. But really, it just was the best title, and I thought it looked cute right there. I start off with these fireworks, and then I went, oh, there's a third one. I was like, oh, shoot, those are attached. So I have to move. I shouldn't say have to. I pulled the 2 off that were individual so I could put the little pair up there so that it matches the sketch. And then I'm going to put the one down here at the bottom so I don't end up using that other blue one. And then I'm looking at it, and I'm like, is there anything else I want to add? And I see these little cowboy boots on here. Now, I was not personally wearing these boots. But I had the hat, and I did see a ton of people, they were wearing boots like these. I didn't have any personally on, but it did go with the hat. It looked kind of, cowboy or whatever. So I thought those are cute. I put it up on foam. And then the only other thing I do, so by the way, I shouldn't say the only thing. The other thing I didn't really follow on the sketch is that thing behind the title. It had I don't know what that's called. That shape that's behind the title. I didn't do that, but I went ahead and added these little fireworks kind of up over it. I put that up on foam. And I sit and look at that for just a minute. I kind of wanted to add some stickles, and I went looking, but I did not have any silver stickles, and that's really what it called for. So I stopped while I was ahead, and I think this turned out so cute, you guys. I loved how I cut that middle out. I feel like that was inspired, So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out the Scrap Rooms, the whole channel here. We got designers all over it. And like and subscribe and all that, and we'll see you next time. Bye.